Today, let's explore the powerful word abbreviate. It helps us save time and space when writing or speaking. Abbreviate means to make a word or phrase shorter. It helps us communicate faster and more clearly. A common mistake is to confuse abbreviate with abduct or absolve. Remember, abbreviate only means to shorten words. Common patterns include abbreviate a word, abbreviate a phrase, or commonly abbreviated as. It often appears with names or titles. We often abbreviate doctor as doctor and telephone as tel. She abbreviated the company's name for the logo. You should abbreviate long words in notes. Once, a student wrote a long report but ran out of space. She decided to abbreviate long words and finished on time, impressing her teacher. Think of abbreviate as ABV. Imagine cutting off parts of a word to make it shorter and easier to say. Now you know how to abbreviate. Try using this word in your next conversation. See you soon.